Let's try white puff vinyl on a white shirt. And if you haven't seen puff vinyl yet, you're in luck. It is 3D textured heat transfer vinyl. It looks like the vinyl on those really trendy like Spirit jerseys on the back where it's kind of like textured and puffed up, hence the name puff vinyl. Okay, let's get into it. Let's do this Mickey on like the pocket. Quick reminder, you do mirror for puff vinyl, but you lay it on your mat shiny side up. Here are your temp and time settings. Preheat your shirt first. Place your design. Press once at these settings. Then peel. Then decrease your time to just 4 seconds and press again with just light pressure. Oh my word. So subtle, but so cute. Also, these are the perfect heat settings for this product for sure.